So in this video, we're going to go over how to run a sale via your email marketing system. It's really important in a sale that you have a certain amount of email set up. Now, I really suggest that you have this structure. So first you have a pre-warning email. So you're getting everybody excited, you're getting them hyped up about your sale or your promotion. And then you want to have a launch email. So you let them know that the promotion or the sale has started. Make sure that you have really good deliverability, have a really catchy subject line, a really catchy subheading as well, so that you can get people to open and engage with that email. And then you want to have another email that says the campaign is almost over. And then you can decide to have 1 or 2 emails around this. Usually I suggest 24 hours before something ends and then 48 hours before something ends. So you can really have the pre-warm up, the launch, and the closing. If you have those emails set up, I usually run promotions for maybe like 5 or 6 days minimum. And then if you have those emails set up, you'll do a really good job at monetizing your email list. Remember on those ending emails that you should be increasing the incentive. So adding bonuses or discounts, and make sure you're excluding people who already purchased from the previous emails. So hopefully that helps with your email marketing campaigns when you're trying to run a sales promotion.